Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to go over my June Ipsy Glam Bag. Yes, June Ipsy Glam Bag. Wow, there's a lot of fireworks going on outside. Anyways, yes, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. So yes, Ipsy Glam Bag, June 2021. Hitting my face. Okie dokie. So, now I can toss away the bag. And you'd think if one gave information, this one wouldn't be it. The plus never gives information, but the Glam Bag does. It makes no sense to me. Anyways, this is the cute little bag that we get. This little guy right here, the lips is stitched on. Have fun. This kind of reminds me of the 80s a little bit. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but the bag is super cute. I'm going to cancel this one because I have been paying this one on a monthly basis. Some of my subscriptions I did pay like a year in advance. Not a lot of them, but I'm going to get rid of this one. I just think this is the... I'm not going to say the worst because it's not really like bad, but nothing in these has ever prompted me, I think, to go out and buy the larger version. Nothing in these bags have prompted me to go out and buy the larger version, so I will say that, and it's just a waste. So yeah, I would rather pay just that little bit extra and get the full-size products. Know what I mean? So anyways, this says, do you? Bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy, glitter liners, rainbow accents, and celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. And this is not a colorful bag. I mean, the bag physically is. The products inside, not so much. But we're going to go over it. We got this absolutely tiny little IBY Beauty Lush eyeshadow in Cinnamon Roll. Oh, tiny. What is this? Yeah, it's an actual eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, it's so small it's hard to open. I know I've gotten little guys like this before. That's how small it is. And that's the color. So goldy pumpkin. Looks like pumpkin. I'm not even going to swatch that. I'm going to give that away. Okay, the next thing we have is from Seraphine Botanicals Pink Guava Plus Primer Illuminating Primer. And I've gotten a few primers, so I'm not going to open that. And this actually has, it's shrink wrapped, so definitely not going to open that now. Okay, so something happened, I don't know, but anyways, next is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. Tons of mascaras, don't need any more. The interesting thing to note is this wasn't in the package, didn't have shrink wrap or nothing. Could have been open previously for all I know. So what else? Then we have this Tony Moly Watermelon Dew All Over Serum. And I don't know if you can see the inside there. There's not a lot in there. Now, of course, I know that they do all this stuff by weight, not volume, but it is just a little crazy when you see, so it's 0.5 ounces. But I could totally see why someone who doesn't understand would get upset because it looks like it's not full. It doesn't even look like it's half full, to be honest. So that's interesting. And then the last thing I have is Theory Nourishing Body Scrub. There we go. And these are all sample sizes. Anyways, yeah, Theory Nourishing Body Scrub. These are all sample sizes except for this Seraphine Botanicals primer. This is a full size, and that retails for $42. Man, I don't think that's worth it, but everything else is deluxe sample. So there's no prices, obviously, other than what full sizes cost. But I believe this is $15 a month now. I don't know if I'm paying that. I think I paid $12. Anyways, yeah, I'm probably going to cancel just because I don't need all these little samples, and I don't even use half these little samples. So, yes, I'm probably going to cancel. I'm I have to keep my plus because I paid for that for a year, but this one I'm going to cancel that. I don't need that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag, because I know that is the most variety out of all the bags, because they do have tons and tons of little samples that they give away each month in their bags. And also, if you made it this far in the video, leave the word belt in the comments below to confuse everyone else who didn't watch my video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, I am a weirdo. I do post every single day at 3 p.m. So I will talk to you later. Bye.